Hi everyone, so I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how to use the document for Photoshop. So this is what it's gonna look like once you download it. You're going to get this page. You do require a Dropbox for this, so it's free. You can just set it up. I'm already signed up. So you go ahead and press download, and all of these will go onto your account, and you can unzip them on your computer once you get them. I already have it downloaded, so I won't be needing that. So it'll look like this. You just can click like this and then unzip the file. Where is it at? Oh, right here. Sorry guys, so you would do that, then you would extract it, but I don't need to do that today. So you just go ahead and go on here, you pick the one if you want to do the back, the front, or the side. I'm going to do the back side for the sake of this video. So you just open it, and this is what it looks like when you open it up. Here you go. I have it it says right here, add image here, so you're going to drag your image there. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go over here to open a new file. I'm going to get a PNG file that I already have on my phone. I mean on my computer, I'm sorry. So just pick one of these. Let's see this one. Not these, I don't want to use these. Let me pick a different one, like a wrap or something. Do this one, we'll go back over here. Go here. And I have a lot of them in here, but I'll just click this one here, and you want to go to the one that has a ping, and then where you can see right here, yeah, this is the file I need. Then I open that, and this is what it comes up on. Then we go down here to photo bin. Then I'm gonna grab this one and pull it over here. You can size it here if you like, but I always just do about that. So you can tell here it's still like hanging out of the cup. It's not like on the cup correctly. That's because you have to go over here, grab this, and drag it into this area. Once you do that, this is what happens. See that? There you go. And you could interchange those, put a new one. Just go to save as, and then you go here and save it as whatever you want it to be saved as. So go here, delete that, and just write whatever, and then save it. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoy this little quick video, and I hope you guys like the way that I created this. It just makes it so much easier to do your mock-ups and get them up onto your website. You can also add, you know, other file, like a logo on here. It's really customizable. This, if you don't like it, you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever you like for your picture. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video.